Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We have another Gershion Poly Gel Kit to review. They sent me the bigger tubes this time. I don't know if you guys remember my last one. I had the small 15 ml tubes. This has the 30 ml tubes, and we have some different colors to play with this time. So as you can see, it's got this beautiful packaging. I love their packaging. Love it, love it. Alright, you have your manual on how to, your little thank you card. You got your file, the 100-180 grit washable file. Of course, your top and base, which I use all the time. So I'm really glad to get another set of that. You got your dual forms. I will not be using these in this video. You also get a brush. It says Gershion. And then you get 6 polygel tubes. You get clear, white, natural pink, dark pink, cover pink, and bean red. So you can see the color. There's dark pink. And then we have bean red, which I have had before. I love that bean red color. And then we have natural pink. And then we have clear. Coral pink. Oh, this one's a little harder. And white. All right. So here are all 6 colors. Okay, that's what they look like. What I have done, I went ahead and prepped her nails. I pushed back the cuticles. I cleaned everything. I buffed off the surface shine. I wiped them off. These are ready for application. So, what I figured I would do, since I used the 1, 2, 3 coffin nails in my last video, we are going to do the 1, 2, 3 stiletto almond shape in this video. So, really quickly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to match these up to these nails, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm going to do now that the nails are all prepped, I already told you guys that, I'm going to take the Gershion base coat, and we're going to put a base coat on these. Don't forget to prep and prime, dehydrate, all that good stuff. Alright, so I'll do one with you guys, and then after you're finished putting on the base, go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds in your lamp. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, laying right here, I have the Enail Couture 1, 2, 3 coffin, or the 1, 2, 3 Enail Couture stiletto almond stiletto shape, and I've already filed the underside where the nail bed is going to go, and these are ready, and we're going to adhere those with the Gershion clear polygel. Now, I know a lot of you have asked me over time, can you use polygel to adhere the nails? We're going to find out. I heard it works, so let's try it. So to have your lamp ready, I am going to go change my battery out on this real quick, and I'll be right. So here we go. Wish me luck. I'm going to go ahead and put the clear. I don't know how much you would need. I guess we'll just go with that much. See what happens. Man, I don't know if this is going to work. Alright, I'm going to take my brush, my Gershion brush and some isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to go ahead and push the poly gel down all the way up to where I've got it filed. You want it very smooth by the cuticle. Now this way seems like it would take me a lot longer than just putting on a builder gel or, you know, a thick gel. Yeah, this way seems way more time consuming. Like, I don't know. If you like doing it this way, that's great, but I don't know if I would like it. Alright, so flip it over. Make sure you have your flashlight ready. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to hold it in my mouth, as always. I'm going to go at a 45-degree angle. I'm going to push out all the air bubbles. I'm going to go all the way to the free edge with the poly gel and then cure it. Alright, now cure. Okay, it worked. It worked. That's crazy. Alright, and I didn't... Okay, I'll tell you what I like about this, doing it this way. You don't have to hold the light in your mouth, because the poly gel is going to keep it stuck to that nail. That's awesome. So I do like the fact that it does that. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. And that clear looks to be pretty clear. Alright, put a little poly gel in there. Grab your slip solution. Go ahead and spread it out. Spread it out. You don't want this too thick. You want this pretty thin. So make sure you don't put it on too thick, because then you're going to have a big mess, and you're going to have stuff coming out the sides, and you're going to have stuff coming out of the cuticle. Do make sure that it goes all the way on your side walls, and, you know, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Also, for any of my new subscribers, I have a new channel. Please go check it out. I do Dollar Tree hauls, regular hauls. I do paranormal vlogs. Alright guys, here we go again. 45 degrees. Press down. Press, 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 press. Cure. Anyway, like I was saying, I do all my like subscription boxes that I get. I do all the unboxing over there. I do vlogs over there. Lots of vlogs if you guys want to see me. It is called Jamie's Life, and the link is always down below in my description. If you guys don't want to miss out on any of the other videos that I used to upload on this channel, please go over there and subscribe. It only takes a minute. Alright, so here we go with the next one. I can't believe I'm using poly gel to adhere nails. It works pretty good. Actually, you know who I saw do this the other day? It was a guy on Instagram. Oh shoot, what is his name? I don't even remember. I don't know, guys. Anyway, I don't remember. Sorry. Alright, so now that you have the gel laid, I was out of frame, guys, for that one. I'm so sorry. Now that you have the poly gel laid down, you're going to go ahead, get your light, get your nail ready, put it into the cuticle area, make sure there's no bubbles, press down to get to that free edge, and cure. Look at that! It's working! I'm shocked. Alright. So last nail, and I only used a teeny smidge. We are going to be playing with foil today. And the clear polygel is the only one we're going to be using from the Gershion kit. And in the next video or so, we will use the rest of the colors. Because I love Gershion Poly Gel. I love it. It goes on so nice and so smooth. They are probably one of my favorite polygel companies, besides Yogi. But I'm kind of having mixed feelings with Yogi. Their polygel is getting harder to push out the tube. Alright, so here we go. Alright, press down, hold it, cure. Alright, now that you have your nails adhered to your nails, no pun intended, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. We're also going to be using some glitter from the Nail Candy Shop. She was kind enough to send me some of her glitters. I think the one I'm going to use is it's called the Looking Glass because it's silver and it'll go with anything. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, after those nails are fully cured, take your foil glue, and I'm going to use... Alright guys, I am going to use my Yogi foil glue. So what I'm going to do is take the foil glue and we're just going to go over the entire nail with the foil glue. Make sure you cover up everything. And then you're going to let that dry until it goes clear. If you want 10% off of any Yogi product, please go down below in my description box. I have all my coupon codes down there. Even if you want to order the Glamour Liz hand this year for your new year and you want a beautiful practice hand, I have a 10% off code for $100 or more when you spend $100 or more on her website, Glamour Liz. So go check that out. Alright, now that they are completely dry, as you can see, it dried clear. I'm going to take this foil. I think I got this foil from AliExpress. I will go find a link and leave it down below for you guys. So I'm going to take it, and I think I'm just going to go this way with it. I'm going to lay it on the nail. Uh-oh, I think I'm going to have a crease. I'm going to take my silicone tool here and hope I don't get a crease, but I think I'm going to get a crease. Guys, I haven't played with foils in so long, and I just got these not too long ago, and I was like, let me play with them, since we haven't done that in so long. Alright. Oh, look at that. That looks nice. Not too bad, not too bad. I don't know if I can cover up any of that other... No, that's okay. Alright, so I'm going to take this side here, which it's already got a piece on there by accident. So, hopefully I don't mess anything up. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I'll put some of this glitter on the tip of this one over here. It should still stick because it's got that glue on there. Oh wow, look at that glitter. Oh wow, look at me getting it all over. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I got it all over the place. My Madam Glam matte top coat. It's their new velvet matte. I'm going to matte these because this is going to be our background. Now they would look beautiful glossy, as you can see here. Okay, and then I'm just going to do the top part of this. Well, I'll just go ahead and do the whole thing. Alright, now I'm going to pop it into my lamp for 60 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Gershion top coat and let's see, I'm going to do this one, I'm going to do at the top. I'm going to go right up here. I'm going to go down on the sides right to about, I'm going to try to cover up where the foil missed. So right about here. Get that under there. I'm going to sprinkle the glitter on there. Alright. And then I'm going to quickly do a flash cure. Okay. Flash cure it. Wipe it off. And then do a full cure. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how beautiful that is. Beautiful. Like a new year. A new nails, new year. Alright, so again, I want to thank Gershion. I want to thank Gershion for sending this Poly Gel Kit to me for review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned because we will be using the other Poly Gel colors in upcoming nail videos. Let me know what you guys think of this nail look down below. Is it too gaudy? Would you wear it? Maybe for like a party or something? Let me know in the comment section down below. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. Stay tuned at the end of the video for my notification shout outs. And I hope you have a blessed day. Bye guys.